Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, I will show you how to secure every device in your home by setting up Surfshark VPN directly on your router. No need to install VPN apps on each device. Let's dive in. Install a VPN on your router means all your connected devices like phones, laptops, smart TVs are protected at once. It's a smart way to simplify your privacy and security. Before we start, make sure you have an active Surfshark VPN subscription. Next, we will access your router's settings. On Windows, open the command prompt and type like this ipconfig. Now look for the default gateway, that's your router IP address. On Mac, go to System Settings, then Network, then Details to find it. Now open a browser and type in that IP address. Log in using your router's credentials, usually printed on the device. Navigate to the VPN settings. It might be under Advanced or VPN clients depending on your model. If your router doesn't support VPNs out of the box, you can finish it with DDWRT or OpenWRT firmware. Be cautious, this process has risks, so follow instructions for your exact model carefully. Head to Surfshark's website, go to the manual setup section and download the Open VPN configuration files. Upload them into your router's VPN setup area. Once connected, your entire home network is protected. Your data is encrypted, your location is masked, and your privacy is enhanced. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay secure online.